Ko RK116 is the orange, is the Craytons year 1995, is the number 19, is the right from there is the Kobelco RK116 is the orange from to right from there is the LYNX number 19 LYNX 60 tons, right from there is the right from there is the Crane RK116 is the orange, yes, yes, alright, of course, is the RK116, right from there is the Craytons, is the right from there is the Kobelco RK116 is the Crane roof tiller crane truck, is the right from there is the from St. Joseph, is the nice, right from there is the good condition, good condition, right from is the Crane tons, is the roof tiller crane. 5 4 3 2 1 and go.